Working on the gas line today. Earthquake gas shutoff valve. 3/4 inch. Hang on, Joey. You want me to try to give it a go? Got it, Joey. You got that gas line turned off all the way?
Yeah.
Smell a little bit of that shit, y'all. We got a wire brush, clean that all up nice.
I guess the only one I haven't met yet is your wife.
Yeah. Hey, Joey, this is Mr. Bart.
Oh,
And this,
hello, sir.
Bart, this is Joe. Joe Sr. Is your arrow the right way? Just double check. Yep, beautiful. Not big enough? Beautiful Jojo. Was it got one more revolution up or no?
God, I certainly hope so.
I was gonna say, well, yeah, that's good because you're even pushing the other side. So
Give me a pair of channel lights.
okay, I'll work this one then. This is the last one, Joe, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a level there already, Joey, or no?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? This same size, Joe, to where you were able to grab it?
This one's bigger.
That one's bigger, huh? Okay, so you want another 1.5 inches. You want that guy.
What do you think? We don't know until the end, huh? That piece
Behind you?
took off.
I was gonna say you might have to loosely thread it on there, Joey. So that way we kind of know what's going on. Might need a little bit longer there, Joey, to come down with an elbow and then another elbow in. Right, Joe? So nipple, 90. Maybe not. Needs to be straight, you know. That means this way too. So it needs to come a little bit this way.
Which way?
this way. The bottom needs to come out this way a little bit. See? Now look. See? So right there.
Got it.
See, Joey? Just a Harrington. Whoa. Let me check. That's tits on the money. I don't want this thing to move. So I'm almost more concerned about this unit.
Pliers.
Not going to be able to hold there, Joey. And so we need to get a tape measure, check our length of the nipple. Let's screw down the PG&E one, Joey, so we know kind of our nipple sizing, right? So do it on there a little bit. Doesn't need to go all slammed all the way down, but get it, you know. And you got to clean off that nipple still and everything. Needs about a 4.5, 4 inch. Eight inch. This is a 5 inch. That's a 6 inch.
I got a 4.
Yeah, go ahead, Joe.
Hold on. You gotta find me.
Yes, sir.
Did you end up getting the trim?
Yes, yeah. I got it in the back of my truck. Sorry.
Engine gas line?
Yeah. Adding a seismic earthquake shutoff, emergency shutoff.
And they said that you already picked up the grout too?
I do have the grout. Yes. Yep. I got the grout, and then I got 2 tubes of the siliconized grout in case you guys do that in the corners or something.
Typically, we use acrylic. Yeah, we like using the sanded one
Got it.
because the other one is kind of hard.
I'll
to
show you
install,
what they
but
picked out, in fact, in case you guys want me to swap it. It's a this is the product that they picked.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Dolce color. Yeah.
Okay. And then I do have 2 tubes of it if you'd wanted the siliconized or whatever.
All right.
Awesome, you guys. You got it, Joey? How far are we?
As much as you can.
Get it?
Hold on. Stop right there.
Sure.
Okay, go on the other one. Go easy.
Yep.
Whoop.
That's it? For now? Cleaning up a special PG&E fitting. Making sure it's all nice and cleaned up. Joey. That's not the elbow. I just had a brand new one out, right? It's right here, Joe.